The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition is a smartwatch that allows for customization with different watch faces, bands, and high-end materials. Here are some of its features and specifications. Customization. Choose from a variety of watch faces, bands, and high-end stainless steel materials to create a watch that matches your style. Advanced health tracking. The Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition offers advanced health tracking features, including sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, body composition analysis, and more. Improved battery life. Samsung claims that the Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition has an improved battery life over previous models. Sapphire crystal glass and titanium case. The watch features a durable sapphire crystal glass face and a lightweight titanium case. Other features. The Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition also includes a number of other features, such as GPS, water resistance, and support for Samsung Pay. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition is a stylish and feature-rich smartwatch that is a great option for those who are looking for a smartwatch that they can customize to match their style.